Hey everybody, we're back here today in OCT Bay. This is actually the first day of the Mid-Autumn Festival holiday here in China. So you can see a lot of people's out. Yeah, even though it's Sunday, they always still view Sunday as part of getting off for the holiday, since they have the makeup days here before, maybe after holidays, depending on how long it is. So it looks like they have like a little market set up where they're selling some snacks or some jewelry, some toy cars for the kids, some little trinkets and these little waving cats that you'll see in like stores and stuff if you enter them. And then, you know, the typical cotton candy and popcorn. But here the popcorn is sweet. It's not the salty kind like we have back in the States. So yeah, my last video that you saw when I went to the cigar shop, this is where it's at, and today I'll just give you a better show of what's all around here. So like I said in my last video, this is a like an outdoor retail mall space, and they have a stage here and a water. Then over there, you can't really see it through the trees, the amphitheater where they host, I'm pretty sure it's a nightly water dance show with fireworks. And then you have the Hongshuan cityscape in the background. But yeah, they have kayaks for rental, paddle boats, little sailboats. And you can see everybody out there enjoying it. So this is like the main street here at this outdoor mall. And over there's, you can get a better look at the amphitheater where that nightly show takes place. And then here, it's pretty cool because in the States, you know, you hear of EVs, electric vehicles, but here that's a big deal. Probably, I would say 60% of the cars you see on the road, and then mainly all the taxis in the bigger cities are all EVs now. So here's the EV company. This is NIO. And then right over here, right across the little street, here's Huawei, which Huawei started as like a smartphone brand, and they're also now getting into the EV market. We got the train going by now. So they're getting into the EV market as well, and you can see their showroom right over here. Then keep walking, you have some clothing shops, and then you got the Hey Tea, which is the milk tea place that used to be very popular pre-COVID. But these milk tea shops, they only stay popular for about maybe 1 to 2 years, maybe 3 if they're lucky, and then a new brand will come in and reign king. Here's another car dealership, Mercedes, and I believe they also have their own EV brands too. But you'll definitely see more gas from these overseas brands. But now what's crazy is in Shenzhen driving around, if you see any car with the green license plate, that means that it's an EV, and you're starting to see a lot more luxury brand cars that are EV now, such as Porsche. Porsche is mainly the most popular one, where you're starting to see more and more EV. Then just continuing up here, we're still on this main drag. It basically does one big loop around the property here. But there's another restaurant. You can see there's a Dippin' Dots ice cream booth right there. We're just trying to, these people are figuring out where they need to go. And then up here's this big spaceship looking thing. I'm not really sure what it is. They do have a water fountain around it that kids can play in it, you know, during the summertime and stuff. Yeah, here's that spaceship looking building. This is one of the main entrances of OCT Bay here. They have a bunch of kiddie rides and stuff over there. And they also have a Marriott property hotel, which is over here. Which is over here in this building. But you can see a Burger King through the trees there, and then over there, there's a Marriott hotel somewhere over there. And also a supermarket down there. And a mall. Like this whole thing's a mall, but it's that's like a sure thing, you know, indoor mall over there. But yeah, that pretty much sums up OCT Bay here. There is a movie theater that's on the other side. You know, in China, basically a mall won't be complete without at least a movie theater. But they have all the typical restaurants you'd expect, you know, a retail space to have, such as Starbucks, McDonald's, there's a Burger King, and also a whole bunch of other Western food and Chinese food options, as you can see on this sign right here. Well, that sums up this video for today. I hope y'all enjoyed this brief OCT Bay walkthrough, and I'll see y'all next time.